Hi, I'm back. I genuinely do not know kung paano ko sisimulan tong video na to kasi dalawang YouTube vlogs pa lang yung nagagawa ko. And yung una ko, that was like 2024. Like second year ako, first year. And then I made the second vlog nung third term ng fourth year ko. Wait, no. Third term ng second year ko. Yeah. And that was like 2025. Because I remember taking a video nung vlog na yon. Like nung ano pa December 31, New Year, 2024. So 2025 New Year. And then pinost ko siya, I believe, May 2025. It's June 2026. It's been more than a year. So actually after nun, sometime June, July, August, and then for the following months until now, sinubukan ko mag-video, like gumawa ng actual third vlog, but hindi ko siya nagawa kasi tinamad ako. And then I've been really busy. So yeah. Kulit, dito na. Ay, makangagat na naman siya. Diyan ka nga. Anyways, as you can see, sobrang kalat nung kama ko. But, I don't care. 3 minutes ako and wala akong nararating. Kulit, baba na doon. Masakit. Ayun, may gas-gas ako. May sipon din siya, which is sad. I don't know if this video is gonna make it in the internet kasi I'm pretty sure tatama rin ako mag-edit. Lahat ng videos ko kasi mahaba Lahat as if madami akong video. Dalawa lang naman so far. From what I remember, yung first video ko was like 28 minutes, 30 minutes. My second video na like second term mega vlog. So, second term pala. Hindi third na sinabi ko kanina like. That was like 50 minutes. Almost like 1 hour. So itong video na to, I don't know if gano'n to katagal since like 3 days. Diba? Na-mention ko agad yung video pero hindi ko pa na-explain kung anong gagawin ko sa video na to. I mean, based from the title, alam mo naman. So pupunta kaming Portugal. Masakit! Bad ka ha? Dito na. Akit na. Gusto nyo ba siya makita? So yeah, pupunta kaming Portugal around ng 3 days. Because currently it's like Wednesday? Wednesday ba ngayon? Let me check. Yes! So it's currently Wednesday ng 12 a.m. something, 12 something a.m. And then aalis kami ng 4 or 5 a.m. So yeah, ang gagawin ko ngayon, mag-ayos akong gamit. And then siguro i-idlip ako ng 2 hours or something. And then matutulog ako sa biyahe. So ang dadalhin ko lang naman, damit, laptop, like hygiene essentials, and then damit. Ano ba? Labas nga. Ba't nakakit ka ngayon? Di ka naman nakakagat lagi. Minsan lang. Colette has exited the room. Di ko alam nung meron doon. Like, nakakagat siya ngayon. Usually, pag ito oras may zoomies siya, like sobrang energetic niya. Actually, hindi ko gets point na itong ginagawa ko ngayong intro. Let's just get to it. Guys, ako, matutulog na ako, and then I'll just see you later. Okay, bye-bye. Guys, hindi pa ako natutulog. Actually, tulog ako sa kotse. Anyways, so I just woke up. bumaba sila mami, pumunta sila sa beach, and then so ako lang mag-isa dito. Nagpaiwan ako. So after namin kumain kanina, pumunta kami sa parang grocery store na ano siya, yung like yung local business grocery type store. Bumili kami ng mga gamit. And then pag uwi dito, like natulog ako. It's currently 5 p.m. And pumunta sila mami sa beach, and then ako, I'm probably just gonna get ready. Kasi wala pa akong ligo. Kasi diba umalis kami kagabi ng 3 p.m. Wait, no. 3 a.m. Kanina rather, ng 3 a.m. Tapos bumiyahe kami. Maliligo sana ako, pero for some weird reason, walang tubig yung bahay. Like, nothing's coming out of the shower and the faucet. Everything. So yeah, bumiyahe kami. And what irritates me kasi nung pagdating namin ng Batangas Port, like 6:30, pero 9:30 pa yung ferry. So 3 hours kaming inamag na board doon at naghintay. So I ended up just watching Phineas and Ferb that entire time, and then natulog ako. And then yung ferry ride, that was so fun. Actually, it's kind of boring. Ang na-enjoyan ko lang na part doon is yung lumabas ako. Kasi nasa labas yung CR. And then, ayun, sa labas kasi ramdam mo yung ano, you know, ramdam mo yung, you know, sa loob kasi like naka-aircon, tapos parang kami nakaupo sa loob ng bus, you know, which is cool, pero mas na-enjoy ko sa labas. Anyways, mag-ready ako ngayon, susunod sa kanila. But first, maliligo ako, and then I'm probably gonna wear sunscreen even though 5 p.m. na. I don't know why. So here's the room. As you can see, madumi siya. But yeah, di kami naglinis pa eh. So, medyo maluwag siya, like for 4 people, it's okay. So, I'm gonna ligo. Okay, I'm done. I crowed. Should we open this? Does it look better? Or no? Kasi feeling ko nag-echo if nakasara. Okay, let's keep it open. I don't know what to say. The lighting looks horrible. I'm having this like dilemma kung magka-contact lens ba ako bukas. Kasi bukas mag-ano kami, like water-related activities like snorkeling, yung Bangka Islands. Pero may nakita akong TikTok video the other day. Yesterday. Of like this girl na nag-contact lens siya sa beach and nabulag siya. So yeah. Pero ngayon nag-contact siya ko because I don't really plan on swimming. And then doon naman sa beach, siguro akapakan ko lang yung tubig and then I'm gonna go. Buksan ko yung aircon kasi ang init. Okay, I opened the aircon. Wait, do I look like really cool? Okay. Hi, I'm done. Now we can go. My game plan is, if mag-swimming ako, ito lang susuotin ko and then magtatapos ako. And then if babangon na ako, ano ulit yung word niya? Pag like, aahon. Pag aahon na ako sa pool or like sa beach, susuotin ko tong t-shirt na. So magdadala akong bag, dun ko ilalagay like yung ano ko, yung t-shirt, and then like siguro tripod, power bank charger, and then itong phone. May contact lens case, may glasses, siya. Guys, it's like 1 p.m. and nantok ako. Siguro natulog ako until 5 p.m. And then mag-swimming ako din sa beach pag sunset. Yung dyan ang beach malapit dito sa hotel. Kasi yung kanina, yung parang kami beach hopping, island hopping type thing. And that was fun. Pero yung unang beach lang gusto ko kasi malilim. And tanghali na kasi, so yung ibang beach may net. So dito ako swimming. Ba? Hi. I don't really know what to talk about. Ito na yung last story namin, and then bukas umaga kami uwi. Guys, swimming sa sunset, like yung sunset and then patilim na, that's the best time to swim. Kasi hindi mainit, malamig yung tubig. Tapos medyo yung wave, taas. Pero kanina tanghali, nung tirik yung araw, no. I don't really know what to talk about. I'm probably just gonna play the For Dead until untukan. And then bukas, swimming kami umaga ulit, like 5 or 6 a.m. Tapos kakain breakfast and then punta kaming port na Puerto Galera. And then, port 2, Batangas. May bulldog ako dito, so I'm probably gonna cook one later. Because I love bulldog. Guys, it's raining. Good morning. Hello. You're probably wondering bakit suddenly yung last clip ko is, nasa Puerto Galera kami, June 19, Friday. And then, now, nasa bahay na ako. It's Wednesday, I think. Wait, no. It's Tuesday, June 23. So, something happened. Okay, I'm just gonna show it. Well, here's my phone. Andito lahat ng vids ko sa Puerto Galera. Like, this is my main phone. iPhone 13 Pro Max, second hand. We love him. Maganda yung kulay green. Maganda yung, yung build. This is the back, this is the front, and then it's the back. It's not opening, it's... So basically, nung nag-swimming kami nung morning, nung Friday, at around 6 a.m., like yung last clip ko, iniwan ko yung phone ko doon sa sand, like doon nakapatulat ng gamit namin, nakatakip pa ito ng hoodie ko eh. Kasi nga medyo umuulan nun. So nag-swimming ako, and then pagbalik ko, my phone was like, time to be broken. Like itong phone, pagkuha ko doon, like bigla na siya may white na andito sa gilid ng screen. And then yung screen like, hindi na nag-respond. And then eventually bigla na lang siya nag-block na ganyan. So it's been 3 days, 4 days, I don't know. Kaya hindi ko ma-edit pa tong vlog. Andito lang tong vid. Wala akong iCloud because I'm poor. Pumunta ako sa paayusan. Magkano yung paayos ng screen? 7K. Daw. 7K daw. Pero kasi itong screen na to is hindi na yung original. Kasi nga nasira tong phone na to last year. Nasira yung original screen niya. Tapos pinalitan ng GX na Chinese fake iPhone screen for 8K. Tapos nasira ulit siya. Tapos papalitan ulit ang same na ganun pero 7K naman daw. Ibang paayos yun yung pinuntahan ko. And that's a lot of money. And naiinis ako kasi fake na yung screen, nasira pa. Tapos papalit mo na fake na screen na masisira na naman ulit eventually. Kasi nga, pangit yung quality. So now, I've decided na papaayos ko na lang tong screen and then maghintay ako until October para bumili ng bago sa PowerMac para magmura yung iPhone 17 lineup. Kung may pera ako, tapos installment ko na lang para mura kasi nga, I'm broke. Honestly guys, I'm not even mad that it broke. I mean, well, yeah, to an extent, medyo nakakainis. But the main reason kaya ako nainis nung nasira to like that day, kasi hindi ako makakapag-story sa IG dump. You know those moments na pag may nakita kang bagay or like pag may naisip kang i-story mo sa dump, picture mo, and then nakaisip ko na agad ng caption na nakakatawa. Hindi ko nagawa yun. And that's what made me like mad. Okay, so now pupunta akong paayusan, papayos ko to. And then, I will meet you here on this phone. Ito na yung gagamitin kong phone pang... Okay, you know what? Let's go.